Welcome to Peace and Happiness. Dear friend, I congratulate you for your decision to create your own future by visualizing it in the deeper level of mind. I am Shahid Al-Bukhari Mahajatik. To make this quantum journey easier, I shall be your guide. If you simply do as I tell you to do, think as I tell you to think, and imagine as I tell you to imagine, you will reach a deep meditative level. Then the invisible rhythm of nature will begin to work on your behalf. You will progress spontaneously towards your goal. You will be the master of your future. If you are ready, let us begin our quantum journey. Close your eyes softly. Take a deep, long breath. Inhale through your nostrils. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Expand your lower chest and upper abdomen as you inhale. This is called abdominal breathing. Take a bit longer to exhale than to inhale. Inhale through your nostrils deeply and slowly, and exhale slowly through your mouth. As you inhale, feel abundant natural and cosmic energy entering your body. As you exhale, feel all the toxins and harmful elements going out of your body. Inhale deeply through your nostrils and exhale through your mouth. As you inhale, feel abundant natural and cosmic energy entering your body. As you exhale, feel all the toxins and harmful elements going out of your body. Inhale through your nostrils and exhale through your mouth. As you inhale, feel abundant natural and cosmic energy making you more lively and energetic. As you exhale, feel all the toxins and harmful elements going out of your body. Inhale again, exhale slowly. Now as you exhale, feel your body is slowly becoming numb. You are now unable to move your hands and legs. Your body is motionless and inert. Now breathe normally through your nostrils. Now breathe very slowly. Take a bit more time to exhale than to inhale. Inhale slowly. Slowly exhale. 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 Now breathe normally. Now simply watch your breathing. Focus your attention on your nostrils where the air is entering your body. Breathe normally. Simply watch your breathing. Now feel your body becoming heavier. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Feel the relaxation flowing down from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Imagine a wave of relaxation is flowing down from your head to toes like melting ice. You are now totally relaxed. Your brainwave has dropped from beta to alpha level. You don't have anything called a body anymore. All you have is your mind, your consciousness. You have reached the alpha station on the way to your quantum home. In the alpha station, there is a special waiting room just for you. Now repeat silently with me. From the alpha station, I will go to my quantum home, my home of peace and happiness, which is in the deeper level of my mind. As long as I am there, all unnecessary external sounds will deepen my concentration. However, if there is any fire, theft, earthquake, or any other kind of emergency, I will spontaneously return to my normal conscious state and take quick appropriate actions. Now as I count 19, you will begin your journey, and when I count 0, you will reach your quantum home, your home of peace and happiness. When I count from 0 to 7, you will be wide awake from any level of your consciousness. Countdown begins. 19. Visualize a cool, soothing blue light showering on you. A long path of light has been created. This path leads to the deeper level of your mind. 18, 17, 16, 15. You are going deeper through this path of light. 14, 13, 12, 11. You are going deeper and deeper. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Deeper and deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You have reached your quantum home. Feel infinite joy. Your quantum home is your ideal place of relaxation. It is situated in your favorite natural surroundings. It has everything you need to be happy. When you come here, tension, tiredness, lethargy disappear altogether. Feel safe and happy as a child feels in mother's lap. Look around the surroundings of your quantum home. Smell the flowers, see the colors, hear the singing of the birds. Look around as far as your eyes go. Listen to the murmur of the spring, roar of the sea. Look at all the details of the surroundings. Touch them, feel them. Now, enter the darbar of your quantum home and sit comfortably. You can hear me well. You know your quantum home is a powerful state of consciousness. As soon as you reach this state, your immune and healing systems become energized. With regular meditation, your vision, eyesight, and hearing ability will improve. Your heart, lungs, stomach, kidney, and liver will function properly. Your brain and nervous system will be tranquil and alert. Your extrasensory perception will develop. You will become lively and attractive. All your stress, anxiety, fear, anger, jealousy, fatigue and frustration will dissolve in universal love. You will be in tune with nature. You will have a happy, healthy, wealthy, vibrant long life. Your brain readily accepts auto-suggestions in this state. So repeat with me. In the future, whenever with the intention to meditate, I close my eyes and say or hear the words Shanti, 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 I will be completely relaxed. Then after I count down from 19 to 0, I will reach my quantum home. Repeat silently with me. From now onwards, I will always be confident and relaxed. I will easily concentrate on any subject anytime I desire. I will keep my body and mind healthy. I will be completely free from the influence of all negative and reactive thoughts and words. Positive and proactive attitude will ensure my well-being. I will achieve everything I want with proactive attitude and activities. Now repeat with me, day by day, in every way, I am getting better and better. Day by day, in every way, I am getting better and better. Day by day, in every way, I am getting better and better. You can hear me well. Now concentrate on your Manshubhi. Visualize your future. Visualize you have already achieved everything you wanted. Your dream has come true. See yourself where you want to be in every sphere of life. See yourself at the center of every event. Visualize every little detail. Involve all your senses. Let the vision come alive. Believe this to be true with your whole being. Your past and present do not matter anymore. Your vision for your future is your ultimate reality. Radiate feelings of health, wealth, and happiness from deep within yourself. Health, wealth, and happiness will be attracted towards you. Stay immersed in your vision, your Manshubhi. Dear friend, identify completely with your vision, your Manchabi. Let your thoughts and imagination revolve around what you want. See yourself where you want to be, the way you want to be. See yourself surrounded by everything you desire. How does it feel to have everything you ever wanted? Are you jubilant with joy? Are you overcome with emotion? Are there tears of gratitude in your eyes? No matter how the emotions come, express them fully. Never ask yourself when, where, and how everything would happen. Do not harbor any doubts. Just accept this as the reality and be thankful for it. Stay cheerful and happy. Let a feeling of well-being always resonate within you. Dear friend, you know you are an inseparable part of the universe. There is a force within you that is connected to the universal life force. This force has the power to transform your vision or Manchabi into reality. So genuinely expect the desired changes in your life. Try to be in tune with nature. Then the invisible rhythm of nature will begin to work on your behalf. Success will come to you sometimes in expected and sometimes in unexpected ways. Dear friend, now take your time and think. Are you doing everything you can to develop your talents and skills? Do you feel the urge to take well-planned steps towards your goal? Are you making an effort to use all your time wisely? These are the signs that indicate your vision or Manchabi has been imprinted on your brain. No matter how big your dream is, start from where you are with what you have. When you take the first step, it will lead you to the next. Dear friend, look at history and look around you. You will find that 90% of people who achieved extraordinary things were born in very ordinary circumstances. But since their childhood, they dreamed of doing something great. Gradually their desires turned into belief. This belief inspired them to work towards their goals day and night. Unshakable faith and tireless efforts took them to their destination. Dear friend, you are lucky. You are progressing along the same path, the path of success. You can hear me well. You are now going to plan your day's work. Take time and plan it in a proactive way. You will hear my voice again after some time. At that time, my voice will make you even happier. You can hear me well. You have enjoyed a wonderful time. I will now count from 0 to 7 and you will be wide awake. You will feel happy and cheerful, both physically and mentally. Take a long breath. 0, 1. Take another long breath. 2, 3. Take another long breath. 4, 5. Repeat silently with me. After I finish counting 7, I will open my eyes and be wide awake. I will feel refreshed, energetic and elated. Take a long breath. 6, 7. Open your eyes. Gently move your head and shoulders. Stretch your legs. Move your arms and hands Say loudly and joyfully, feeling better and better. Congratulations for completing the meditation wonderfully. Our best wishes will always be with you as you create your future with unshakable faith and tireless effort. Goodbye.